You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 16. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 2x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 16.